Welcome. If you've ever missed out on engaging conversations on your Instagram posts, don't worry. Today, I'm going to guide you through the steps to enable comments notifications on Instagram, keeping you in the loop with all your followers' thoughts. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're logged in, look for your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to your profile. Next, to access your settings, tap the three lines located at the top right corner. This will open a menu with various options. From here, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now you're getting closer. In the Notifications menu, tap on Posts, Stories, and Comments. This section allows you to customize how you receive updates on different activities. Scroll down until you find the Comments section. Here, you'll see different options for managing your comment notifications. To make sure you don't miss a single comment, select From Everyone. This will ensure that you receive notifications whenever anyone comments on your posts, whether they're your friends or new followers. And that's it. You've successfully enabled comment notifications on Instagram. Stay connected and enjoy every interaction on your posts.